Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the tethering method: hotspot, USB, or Bluetooth. On the phone, turn on the chosen tethering option and set a memorable password. This secures the connection. If using USB, plug the cable now so drivers can begin installing. If using hotspot, make a note of the network name and password so you can find it quickly on the PC. Once done, move to your computer and prepare to connect using the corresponding interface. On your computer, search for the phone hotspot name and click Connect. Enter the password when prompted. If you used USB, open Network Settings and enable the new adapter. Windows may label it as Ethernet. Mac OS shows it under Network. Set the profile to private so file and printer sharing works if you need it. Make sure mobile data remains on and that airplane mode is off. Once connected, test by loading a lightweight website to confirm DNS and routing are working. Finish by verifying internet speed with a quick load test and watching battery and data use. Tethering can be power hungry. If pages don't load, first toggle tethering off and on, then reconnect on the PC. Reboot the phone or computer if needed. Make sure mobile data is enabled and no carrier blocks tethering. If problems persist, update system software and drivers, try USB instead of Wi-Fi, or contact your carrier. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.